Welcome back to our channel, Just a Little Food. Today we're making chicken and sweet corn soup. Okay Ray, roll the intro. Okay, I'm going to start off with boiling the chicken stock. Okay, the chicken stock is now boiled. I'm going to lower it to a simmer. And I'll place the 2 chicken breasts in the stock for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, the chicken is ready now. I'm going to put it on the plate and let it cool down, and then I'm going to shred it. While the chicken is cooling down, I'm going to go to the next step. I have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of grated ginger, and now I'm going to mix 1 tablespoon of corn flour with 1/4 cup of water just to make a paste. And now I'm going to put the corn flour paste into the soup. Okay, I'm just going to let that simmer for 2 minutes until the stock thickens. The soup is now thickened. Now I'm going to put all the ingredients in together. Starting off with the shredded chicken. A 100 grams of shredded ham. 400 grams of corn. 400 grams of cream corn. Okay, I'm just going to stir that through. Okay, I'm going to put 2 egg whites into the soup. The soup is now finished. I'm going to pour in 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Okay, I have a few green shallots which I'll stir through the soup. Okay, now I'm going to plate it up. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye! So the soup is now thickened. Now I'm going to put all the soup is now thickened. I'm going to put all the ingredients in. The soup is now thickened. I'm going to put the rest of the ingredients in together. No, oh my god. The soup is now thickened. Now I'm going to put all the ingredients back in. Ugh. The soup is now thickened. Now I'm going to put all the ingredients in together.